How to find chat history settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find chat history settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here we'll find this one here, chats. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, chat history. And as you see here, you can find chat history settings. You can clear all chats just by one click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.